Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss the topic that is the concurrent forces. What are the concurrent forces? A concurrent force system contain forces whose line of action meet at one point. Here all the forces that line of action meet at one point. Let's consider this point is O. All these forces meet at this point O. So these are the concurrent forces. Now we discuss the collinear forces. What are the collinear forces? Collinear forces are those forces that lie along the same line of action. These are the collinear forces. If several forces lie along the same line on action, they are said to be collinear forces. When all the forces lie on the same plane, these are the forces that lie on the same plane, these are the coplanar forces. So here we write when all forces acting on a body are in the same plane, these forces are coplanar.